A normal ejaculate may possess 200 to 300 million sperm, and a normal male can produce between 20 million and 200 million sperm per milliliter of semen. All of this can vary from day to day and from individual to individual. If a man produces fewer than 20 million sperm per milliliter of semen, he may be infertile. That sounds odd because 20 million sperm certainly seems like a large number of gametes, especially compared to women who may only produce 400 secondary oocytes in their lifetime and a much smaller number of actual ova, given that the ova is only produced at conception. Why might 20 million sperm be insufficient? Well, even healthy men produce a large number of abnormal sperm, which may even be morphologically abnormal, having more than one tail or having a head joined at the midpiece at an odd angle. And upon ejaculation, millions of sperm die when they encounter vaginal acid. Many more will attempt to fertilize cells they meet along the way as they travel through the female reproductive tract. Others may be attacked by the white blood cells of the female body. Many will not encounter the strands of mucin, which help guide them through the cervix into the uterus. Many will choose the wrong fallopian tube, given that in a given month only one oviduct contains the secondary oocyte which underwent ovulation. And at the moment of conception, one single sperm does not possess enough enzyme to break through the intercellular junctions of the granulosa cells which surround the oocyte. About 50 to 100 sperm are required for this corona radiata of granulosa cells to break down sufficiently so that one sperm may penetrate these granulosa cells and encounter the oocyte. If a man is making fewer than 20 million sperm per milliliter of semen, the odds of enough sperm being at the same place as the oocyte at the same time may decrease to the point where this man may have problems with fertility.